And off they go. So that's the second race, Heat 3. Mixed. And in lane 1 is the Rogue Blue team. Lane 2, San Francisco Dragon Warriors Black. Wait for it. In lane 3, the X-General. Fantastic. 20. Nicely done, team. And the Arizona Dragon Riders out there in lane 4. Let's see what's going on as they approach our finish line. Folks, if you want to improve on your paddling technique, you need to start watching the teams as they come into the semis and the finals, because this is where we separate the timing from the not timing. So let's focus a little bit on what's going on out there between the X-Generals in the lead, coming up pretty strong. But you know what? We were having a conversation with my club about how you want to finish. So if you had a lead like that in a short race, it's all about timing, because they don't know what. Wow, close race there between 2 and, wow. Nice.